Okay, so for this part, I'm going to cover with you the tools that we are going to use for a proper setup work. It's actually quite crucial that you use the correct tools, because if you don't, it might do more harm than good to the guitar itself or the bass. So try and save. While you save, try and get the best quality tools that you can afford. Okay, so number one is string winder. You can use this. I had this for possibly more than 6-7 years. I actually repaired this 3 times already. It was actually breaking apart, but because I love it, so yeah. I had this for very long. Okay, then this is a 3D printed string winder. Okay, so the other one is string cutter. You can never have enough pliers and string cutter, so these are just 3 of many that I have. This one is from a 3D printed cutter. These are bolt cutters. This is very good for stainless steel strings or bass strings. This is a Japanese electric wire cutter. Yeah, so that will cover most of what you need to use. Okay, then the other one is tuners. This is a clip-on tuner, and if you can afford or you have already, you can get a rack tuner or a stroke tuner. Okay, so that's for the tuner part. Allen wrench. This brand is very good. This is Gorilla Grip. Get both sizes. It actually comes in inches and millimeters, so I have both just in case I need it. Okay, the other one is, of course, you can get something like a loose form. It's slightly a bit longer. Actually, you need this. It comes in a set, so you can get those as well. Next part is screwdrivers. So right here, so you got your Phillips, alright, your minus. Get various sizes, because some of the sizes on the guitar is not standardized, so you want to get as small as you can get and as big as you can get as well. Okay, then filler gauges. This is a Sturmac filler gauge. Alright, it comes in inches. Alright, then capo. This is mainly for setup work. Alright, so you put this on the first fret, then you take your measurements from there. Leveling tools. Okay, leveling tools, I have a few. You can get one of these. This is understring leveling tool. Alright, or you can get the one like a file. Alright, I don't have it on hand right now, but it looks like a file, something like this. Then what happens is you sand on the surface of the fret wires. Okay, that is pretty much like a specialized tool. Nut driver. Okay, it looks something like this, but of course it will come in a pack of many sizes. You can get those. This is actually, I'm working on a bass right now, so this is one of the biggest one that you will use. This is a size 16 mm. Okay. Then cleaning supplies. Like I mentioned before, you can use a squirt bottle with water and a little bit of soap. The other one you can get is, of course, a proper guitar cleaner, but that can be slightly a bit pricey in the long run. This one is a 3M surface polishing compound. It's very light. It doesn't scratch. It's not exactly like a abrasive compound. It's more like a layered polishing compound. Okay, then the other one is machine oil. Okay, machine oil, lemon oil. Then the other one is you need to get is also a lighter fluid. Plus, get a bunch of Q-tips as well. Q-tips, okay. Here, alcohol pads. This is actually quite good to remove sticky residue, like a sticker residue. What else? Vaseline. You definitely need to use Vaseline for your screws. Alright, then after that is soldering kit. Okay, this is my soldering station. So yeah, I got 2 solders here, cleaning pad together with my soldering rosin and stuff like that. Okay, the last part is measuring tools. I've been using this metric string action gauge from Stumac. You definitely need one of these. This is fret rocker. Then measuring tools, apart from the feeler gauge, is also a notch leveling gauge or leveling ruler. I have a few here, but yeah, so you can use that. You can use this one as well. This is also from Stumac. Metal rulers, you definitely need those as well. So this is just some of it that you might need if you really want to get into setting up guitars. Oh yeah, you need one of these as well. Okay, this is a wrench, a mini wrench to tighten up your tuner heads. Okay, another thing you need to have is also this is understring radius gauges. So this is also one of the more important tools to do your setup work. All of these will get you started into the setup hobby, or if you want to do this professionally, of course you got to start somewhere. This is a very good compilation of tools that you need to have to start off doing guitars. Okay, so I hope this helps. As we go along in the videos, I will share with you more.